Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Sudi, and as you guys can see what I will be doing today, I will be doing I'll be making some candle holders, and I got these items from the dollar store. I have these cute little candle holders that I spray painted metallic silver. So I got 3 of them. Also got these vase. There was $1 also from the dollar store. And candles. They came in a pack of 3. I got these from Walmart. And this is the metallic silver spray paint that I used. I got this from Joann's fabric and it was like $10.99 if I'm not mistaken. But you guys can get it also from Walmart, Home Depot, Lowe's, or wherever. Just type it in Google and it's gonna pop up the stores that sell it. And also this E6000 glue that I also got from Joann's fabric. So yeah. And this glue was $4.99. So this fork is, it's kind of ratchet, but it is to apply my glue to my to the candle holders. So let's get into this video. What I'll be doing, I'll be gluing 2 of these candle holders together. Yeah, I'll be gluing 2 of these candle holders together, and then as the video goes by, you guys will see. And there you guys have it, my candle holders. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, please subscribe, and please comment below to let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.